Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, leading into tomorrow's initial jobless claims, very key because again, Powell mentioned that unemployment wasn't exactly as high as we did need. So we did have this pullback, now pulling back on this anticipation that we had from, again, Nick Timiraos mentioning that possible Fed pivot here that he did mention. And we have been sitting on this anticipation, now sitting on a pullback with the momentum candle to the downside as our 20 looks to see if we will cross down below our 50. And again, getting that increase in sell pressure here, getting that solid red bar here, looking to see if we will confirm with strength to the downside, possibly continue on lower here. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, greatly appreciate it, guys. Let's jump right into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the spot, just to recap on everything that we have been looking at. Again, we do have that overall anticipation that we have been sitting on from, again, Nick Timiraos mentioning that possible Fed pivot. We did get that decrease in rates. However, Powell mentioning again that unemployment isn't exactly as high as we did need for that possible continuation on higher. We are now sitting on a pullback leading into tomorrow's initial jobless claims. Again, jobs data is extremely key, as Powell mentioned, the emphasis on that increase in unemployment. So again, looking for bad jobs data to come out for that possible spike and looking for that proof of concept. If we do get that spike going into tomorrow, maybe we get a possible spike here and then we do get a rejection with our 20 crossing below our 50 still on that possible confirmation on that continuation on lower, or we get that possible continuation on lower with initial jobless claims and we would have our 20 crossing now below our 50 at that point, getting that confirmation. So again, tomorrow's jobs data is going to be extremely key, guys. Again, 1 hour before market open, if you're looking at any intraday plays, any spikes out the gate, anything that you're looking at, just keep in mind that tomorrow's initial jobless claims is going to be extremely key. And again, looking at our sell pressure, looking to see if we will increase and continue on with that increase in sell pressure will give us confirmation on that continuation on lower. That is the watch here. Again, if you're looking for that possible bullish momentum here, again, we would be looking to see if our 12 EMA would be curling up for that possible cross above our 26. And again, giving us that possibility of jumping back above the median of our MACD here for that possible continuation on higher. However, that is not the case. We are pointing down. Again, we did mention that we're dropping below the median of our MACD. This has been the largest rally that we had of the year to the upside. And now we are on a pullback, looking to see if we will continue on lower. So again, with this increase in sell pressure, very cautious leading into tomorrow, looking to see if we will get that continuation with decreases in sell pressure that we had for the last couple of days. Will be the watch for that possible continuation on higher. And again, watching our 12 EMA to possibly cross back over our 26 would be that bullish momentum. So again, leading into tomorrow's initial jobless claims, very much going to be on watch how we increase in sell pressure, how we decrease in sell pressure. Again, if we get a bad initial jobless claims and we do have that spike, looking to see if we will continue on with that decrease in sell pressure. Now, recapping on our Bollinger Bands, again, representing compression and decompression. Again, we have been looking to see if we will get that momentum candle pushing into our second deviation here, which will show us that we are getting that continuation on that decompression to the downside. Again, looking to see if we will get the body of our candle dropping into our second deviation is the watch here. And then our largest indicator that we have been watching, again, the dollar showing strength will give us weakness on the SPY. And as you guys can see, again, mentioning that we have been increasing with buy pressure here. And as you guys can see, continuing on with this bounce here on the dollar, showing us that weakness on the SPY. Again, we have been tracking our EMA lines here. We mentioned again, if we did cross higher here, if we did have this pullback, which we did have a pullback here just below our 26, but then we spiked just above it, mentioning if we did have that spike, then we would have strength here on the dollar, giving us weakness on the SPY. So again, our largest indicator showing us that we do have strength on the dollar at this point in time, looking to see if we will get any decreases in buy pressure. And at this point in time, we do not have any decreases in buy pressure. So we're looking to see exactly where we may be headed next on the dollar. And again, looking at our hammer candle coming out here, as you guys can see, looking to see if we will jump above our 20, or if we do get that possible bad jobs data report, then maybe we do have a possible pullback here. And then we have that possible continuation on higher here on the dollar after. So again, keeping an eye on the dollar, that will be very key here. So to conclude here, again, if we're looking for that target on that possible continuation on lower, if we do get that decompression jumping into our second deviation of our Bollinger Bands, again, looking at our VPVR for that possible target here. Again, keeping an eye on that 365 level that we have been talking about is going to be very key here. This will be our next target. Again, we had a bounce here at our smaller peak here. Again, now having a nice bounce with our wick to the downside. Again, a nice bounce here from our smaller peak here. Looking to see if we will come down and bounce off of our stronger peak here at 365, and then looking for lows of the year after that. Now, if we do continue on lower, below lows of the year, our target would be here on the lower end of our channel if we did continue on lower. And again, just making sure that we did stay safe here, making sure that we did not get that rejection on the upper end of our channel. And as you guys can see, we did get that rejection. So again, very much making sure that we got confirmation. We did not get that confirmation. If we're looking for that possible bullish momentum, guys, again, we are still looking for that proof of concept on the upper end of our channel if we do continue on higher. So again, that is the play here. We are not late. If tomorrow's initial jobless claims happens to be bad and then we do get that spike, we still need confirmation on that continuation on higher. Even if we do continue on higher, looking for that proof of concept, a possible spike above our channel, having that pullback, and then that proof of concept would be that engulfing candle to the upside. So again, that is proof of concept here that we'd be looking for on the upper end of our channel if we did continue on higher. But again, at this point in time, clearly bears are in control, and tomorrow's initial jobless claims, we'll see exactly what happens. Our last initial jobless claims did have us on a pullback. We'll see exactly what happens, guys. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, I know the market can be very choppy. Again, there's not a lot of breakouts every single day, but in the Instabills room, 2.5 hours before market open, any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And we will start our service back on January 3rd as we are paused for the holidays. And again, all of you Instabills that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate you guys. We're going to continue to go at it. Stay patient, take what the market gives us. Looking forward to going at it on January 3rd. Much love to every one of you guys. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.